Hi guys, this is all my collection in the past 3 years. When the places I traveled, I went to Madrid, Barcelona, Spain last year. I went to East French Riviera in France, Rafalo in Italy, Pisa or Linen Pizza, Pizza, Milano or Milan, Italy. I went to Nice, France, Portofino, Italy, and this recent trip Prague, Czech Republic, Bratislava, Slovakia, and I love Vienna, Austria. I went to Taiwan, and this is from last to 2019 when I go home. I back to the Philippines. I went to Rome, Italy last year, Cuba, Cannes, France, and then Saint Margarita Ligoren, French Riviera. I went to New York, Jamaica. I went to Malaysia, Tokyo, Mexico. I went to Florence, Italy. And this is all from Mexico. I went to Tulum, Cuba, Cancun, Chichen Itza, and Isla Mujeres. And also went before to Maui, Hawaii, by myself, solo traveling. Malaysia, went to Singapore and Batam, Indonesia. And also, I went to Niagara Falls, USA, and Ottawa, our capital here in Canada. This is my recent trip for the past 3 years, guys. And some on all the old fridge I already been sent to the Philippines. Thanks for watching.